Morning, my dear children. Today we are going to continue our fifth chapter, Seeds and Seeds. Let's see how seeds travel and reach different places. So, our first topic is wandering seeds. Children, as you know, plants cannot move around. Once they grow, they remain in the same place. But the seeds are great travelers. They can reach far and wide. Now let's see how seeds spread to far off places. Seeds are spread by birds, animals, air, and water. Many animals eat a fruit and throw the seed. Thus, these animals help in spreading seeds. Like in this picture, you can see squirrel carrying a seed. In the next picture, bird carrying a seed. It means seeds travel with the help of animals. Some seeds has thin hair and are very light and weight. These seeds float on air and travel to other places. Some seeds stick to the fur of animals and thus are transported to other places. In the next picture, you can see seed is floating on water. So, some seeds float on water and thus travel to far off places. Children, sometimes we also carry seeds from one place to another, knowingly or sometimes unknowingly. Later, the seeds of these plants spread to other places. What would happen if seeds did not spread and remain at one place only? Its seeds would not spread and would remain at one place only. There can be many problems like all the seeds would fall near the parent tree. This prevents those seeds from getting enough sunlight, air, and water. As a result, most of the seeds would fall to germinate. Now, new saplings growing under a tree would not grow properly. Next, idea of making Velcro. One day, George Mestral came back from a walk within his dog. He was surprised to find seeds sticking all over his clothes and also on his dog's fur. So he wondered what made them stick. So he observed all those sticked seeds under a microscope. He saw that the seed had many tiny hooks which got stuck to clothes or fur. This gave George the idea of making Velcro. So, George Mestral made a material with similar tiny hooks that would stick. Velcro is the material for fashioning clothes. It consists of two strips of fabric that stick to each other when the adhesive together. It was invented by George Mestral in 1948. Velcro is used to stick together many things like clothes, shoes, bags, belts, and many more. Next topic is who came from where? Children, do you know all the vegetables which are now in our kitchen were not from our country? Let's know which plant came from where through this poem. The name of a poem is Did You Know This? From South America, long ago, came a tomato, a potato, and a green chili. Do you know this? A cabbage came from Europe and also a pea. From Africa came a coffee bean and a green bindi. They crossed the land, they crossed the sea. Did you know this? A mango sang Come in, come in. An orange smiled inside its skin. Welcome to India. A banana said, the methi and spinach, brinjal and radish nodded its head. Did you know this? So, tomato, potato, and green chili came from South America. Pea and cabbage is from Europe. Coffee bean and green bindi are from Africa. These vegetables were brought to India by traders. Okay, thank you.